So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, I am just going to college. After my attending editing class, it was amazing session because I made two posters today. First time in Photoshop. Uh, it was all about no smoking, no smoking, stop smoking. I made banner on cigarette, stop smoking, and that's it. And really, it was amazing because I made it really good for the first time, and I made also a pixel stage effect on Photoshop today, and it was amazing. So it was really good session. Bus and right now I'm going college for my study because day after tomorrow there is exam. The first exam is financial accounting. Wait, I will cross. So yeah, first exam is financial accounting and second one is cost accounting and third is economics. All of three are in continuous day. 9th April, 10th April, 11th April, continuous exam. It's not the first time since FY. Since FY, it's become a normal for us because in degree college the exam are going on continuous day. So you feel normalized after giving FY, SY. So it's really normal for us. Oh my God, after 2 days, it feels like I am giving my last exam of my life. I don't know where I'm going after TY, whether I can do MBA or not. I'm just thinking to do MBA, but not confirmed yet. So in today's videos, I'm gonna discuss believe in yourself. The topic is believe in yourself. Fuck, I don't like my beard at all. Oh my God, fuck. I just forget to shave my beard. Leave it, ignore it please. I am very handsome guy, as you know. But when it's beard on my cheek, I look like ugly. I really don't like my beard since starting when it comes to on my cheeks. So yeah, let it be. Just focus on the topic of believe in yourself. Let's suppose you are doing something different from others and others are doing same. So they are saying it's not possible, you can't do it at all, it's not necessary. Firstly, don't listen to the others. Don't listen to the others. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want to do, because at the end you will be happy if you are choosing your own path and not listening to the others. Okay, so that's the thing. You have to focus on what you gonna do, what you want to do in your life. Don't listen to others. Do whatever you want. Yeah, because if I'm talking about my last 2 years journey, I was there in CF firm. I worked almost 2 years in FY and SY. Yes, I left my job in TY, starting TY. So I do work forcefully. I'm not interested at all in CF firm at that time, and right now still I hate. I didn't understand all these things. I just work forcefully. So you can't work forcefully for the many year until you choose your path. Right now I'm choosing my path. I do whatever I want to do in past, and I really love my work right now. And in this work, if anyone give me the work, I can't do forcefully because I really love it, my work. I really enjoy while working my work. So that's the reason why you are focusing on yourself and do whatever you want. Don't do that mistake. I made mistake for not choosing my career path in starting days. I wasted my 2 years, but I will teach you. If you are listening, if you are in 12th, 11th, you are going to degree college, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Like if you are liking your work in a CA firm, just go for it. Do, because there you are not doing a forcefully work because you love it, their work. I left out my job. Still, I'm not at job, but I'm learning. I am growing. As you know, I just left for my classes and going for college for study. So yeah, it's a really sunny day. Please, again I am saying, don't judge. Don't look at my beard. It's really looking ugly. So at the end, okay, whatever I'm saying you, just focus on my word. Please, again I'm saying, do whatever you want. Even not listening to your parents. I'm not saying parents are wrong. Parents are also wanted to see you success. But please don't listen to others, even in your parents. My parents are very supportive. Whenever I thought I have to do this work, that work, I'm just asking my parents, I'm going to do this work. My parents will be okay, do whatever you want. At the end, you will be earning more. So the end goal of my father, he said me, do whatever you want, but at the end, you will earn more. You have to not just survive, you have to live your life. So yeah, I am doing a lot of things, as you know. In this video, I'm not going to discuss all that kind of stuff, but you know, I'm doing a lot of work. I just hope one of them worked. Let's go. And I think one of my work in future. Literally. Wait. Oh my god. Wait guys, wait. Yes, here you can see this is SB road. So yes guys, I just crossed road and this is SB road. In few minutes I will reach my college. I am feeling very sad. I am feeling very you can say sad, because it's really 1 or 2 days left for my college. I'm feeling really, whenever I talk about last day of my college, I will be sad, because in 2 days I'm not gonna college, because as you know, in third year there will be center for exam, but one of two subject exam are in our college. So thankfully that those 2 exam are in my college. So yeah, the subject indirect tax and export are in my college, and that 2 days are really going to be an end of my college journey. I will missing those moments, you know. As you know, I really wanted to make memories, and I made it a lot of memories. In third year, in my Google account, in my Google Photos account, I made one of folder, TY name of folder, and in that folder, I think so, 500 plus photos in just 1 year. Yes, so that's the reason I am saying you I made a lot of memories in my college in my third year. Oh my god, I am going to missing those moments which I spent with my friend and yeah, with friend. Uh, right now I am feeling hungry. The moment I reach my college, I will be eating my lunch. Two or three chapatis. So yeah, that's it for the day. It's a long video. I think so 10 minutes are gone. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, take care. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.